Attention all nursing students. Are you tired of stressing over proctored exams, online classes, and assignments? Look no further. Introducing Nursingexamsnet, your ultimate solution for acing your nursing exams with ease. We understand the challenges you face in your nursing journey. That's why we've created Nursingexamsnet, a revolutionary platform designed to support you every step of the way. With Nursingexamsnet, you'll have access to a wide range of resources, including comprehensive study materials, practice tests, and expertly crafted study guides. Say goodbye to endless hours of searching for the right information. But that's not all. Our cutting-edge technology allows you to take proctored exams securely from the comfort of your own home. No more stressful test centers or inconvenient scheduling conflicts. Nursingexamsnet puts you in control of your exam experience. We also understand that financial constraints can be a burden on students. That's why, at Nursingexamsnet, you only pay after your exam is completed. Our priority is your success, not your wallet. Join the thousands of nursing students who have already benefited from Nursingexamsnet. Don't let stress and uncertainty hold you back from achieving your dreams. So, what are you waiting for? Visit Nursingexamsnet today and embark on your path to success. Unlock your full potential with Nursingexamsnet, the ultimate companion for nursing students. Payments are only due after the completion of exams. Visit Nursingexamsnet for more details. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.